I took up the reign and I'm doing quite well so far. It's pressuring, but I'm surviving.
Regards on the pitch, I'm a goal scorer. Nothing more, nothing less. Alright, so here with the first interview of the day, Camperdown High School Manning Cup team coach. Introduce yourself for us, please.
Yeah, Donovan Lafters, Camperdown High School Manning Cup coach.
Alright, coach, let's get right into it. How long have you been involved with this Camperdown High School team?
In 2013, I was the manager and I was appointed to the assistant coach about 3 years ago. Now I'm the head coach.
Alright, so you've obviously moved up the ladder as it relates to the coaching position. Speak to us about what went down, that led to you finally being appointed as the head coach.
Maybe it's destiny, I've been a manager, I've been a mentor of the team, I've been the support for the team, and the coach, the then coach, Mr. Bender, decided that I should take over the reign, and I took up the reign, and I'm doing quite well so far. It's pressuring, but I'm surviving.
My name is Devante Macrae. Current position, striker. You are a leader. Your Camperdown have a trio of leaders, bro. Trio of captains. How does it feel to be one of the leaders of this team? And what is your role in this team? Well, I'm tremendously pleased to be one of the leaders of this team. We're a good set of players, a good crowd. They're very disciplined. They don't know how to talk.
Junior myself. I'm Camperdown. I'm 17 years old. My position is play. I can play anywhere basically, but my original playing formation is midfielder.
You're one of the leaders though. How does it feel to be one of the leaders of this team? The captain before he said it's a disciplined bunch. From your perspective, how do you feel to be one of the leaders?
Some of them, say, some of them you have to keep them like my room now. Say like the time I let go to them, you have to make sure that stick to the order and rules and regulations.
Last year, I would say Camperdown was having a good season until some news broke. You want to talk to us a bit about last year's season and what that did to the team?
Yeah, last year misinterpretation of the rule. A lot of kids were out of school. They left the original high school and they went to some academies, and hearing that the Manning Cup is going to return, they return to their schools. Only for us to hear that they should have sat out the year, which is crazy. But anyway, it was demoralizing because we were playing good. I think we had the best team in the competition. We were unbeaten, and it's just I don't know. Maybe it's destiny, I should say. So God knows best,
Based on your recollection, it sounds like you were gutted and you had championship aspirations last season.
And this season also. I'm not a loser. I'm not a loser. I've never lost anything in my life. But
Coach, a bit more on that. Are you coming back with vengeance? Do you want
vengeance?
Yeah.
No. But bad memories. I don't like to use the word vengeance.
You feel like that charges your team for this season?
Yeah. But at the same time, we put them on foot, Because some of them never return to school on time, they never do what they need to do at school. So I lost about 7 of them. But as I say, the core is not bad anyway. They are young, but they're not bad. They're inconsistent, but they're not bad.
Yeah, very composed team. We always play position football, keep the ball moving to space. Off the ball movements is very important. For in this team.
Yes, Shabai.
Counter team. We play the ball around until we confuse our opponents and then we attack.
Alright, so would you say, obviously you're a captain, would you say you're a disciplined individual?
Yes, I am.
And you take your football very seriously?
Very seriously.
Alright, tell me where you as an individual want to take this football team, beyond Manning Cup. Will we
we'll be seeing more football from you.
Yes, you will see.
What are your aspirations, though?
You have to go pro, so college and school, that's not a part, it's pro seeding.
Regardless on the pitch, I'm a goal scorer. Nothing more, nothing less.
Alright.
So you're a man that leads from the front. Describe yourself, bro. Tell us about some of your achievements. Are you quick? Are you a poacher? Box in the box. Tell us about the foul that you are.
I'm a poacher. I have great technique, shooting technique.
Alright, and speak to us about a player comparison. You are about 6 feet 3, 6 foot 4 inches, and a tall forward. Speak to us about the player that you compare yourself to.
Lewandowski and Suarez.
Big comparison. So how many goals can we expect from you in the Manning Cup this year?
You will set the ball and I will reach it.
Alright.
Go for the record.
No, well, people, you guys hear it. So put in the comment section below how many goals do you want to see from this striker right here. Eh? And speak to us about how you feel about your team this season.
Well, as I said before, we have a great crop of players. All we have to do is just play our style of football, keep the ball, cross the ball, hit them where they least expect it.
Alright, so you speak to us about a young core, right? So do you have a lot of players that will be playing Manning Cup for the first time this season?
Most of them, you know. Most of them, if not all. Returning, let me look. Maybe Devante, McRae, Ronil, but they were actually benchers, eh? Actually on the bench. What I do is keep a continuous program. So from my youth 13 come right up, I keep the core. Camperdown don't have many transferees. Eh? I don't believe in it. I believe in building from the ground up.
Yeah.
Because you know with transfer you have a problem. So right now we only have 2 transfers and they have been coming to school like 3 years now. So we believe in a continuing program and building what we have. Eh? If somebody do come through the gate, yeah, we take. But I don't build my team around transfers.
All right, coach. Talk to us about this season, the preparation for it, coach.
Preparation is as usual. As you know, it's a passing team. And you know we lost yesterday. We lost to Ulmas yesterday. Yeah, we lost to Ulmas yesterday. Yeah, but they put us on a maybe a cricket pitch. There are a few holes. We gotta know we're a passing team. We did well. We lost, but you know, playing away, we can live with a loss.
Yeah.
Because you're supposed to defend your home ground. And then put us on a hostile ground first and foremost. We lost yesterday, but we give a good account of ourselves. We're a passing team. If you watch us any at all in the World Cup, you realize we're a passing team. I like attractive football. I like playing, building for the future.
Coach, say something a while ago. I don't know how that will go down with the Camperdown supporters. You say, you know, you're putting a hostile ground, a bad pitch. Some people say that's what most of the schools in Manning Cup have. So is that you can't adjust to those? No,
that's okay. I say we give a good account of ourselves.
Yeah.
And the alumni was pleased. As a matter of fact, the alumni was saying that we were robbed. Yeah, because we give a good account of ourselves. Our talisman was just red carded about 10 minutes in the game. Yeah, but all in all, we understand that your home turf is your home turf. And if a bad pitch is in your advantage, and use it. Yeah. So there's no excuse.
I want to ask you, speak to us about the balance of football and classroom. Speak to us about you as a student.
As a student, you have to be in classroom at school time. You have to wake up early to get to the school. You have to do everything. You have to make sure your grades are up and everything.
And is that an important aspect for you as an individual?
Yes, it is.
And do you try your best to, inspire the players to follow suit?
Yes, every day I push them to tell them so they need to go to class more and think.
Very, very bad. Most of the players last year, and we all cried. Everyone felt it, and we just this team now we just build from that disappointment. Yeah, it was stronger. Coach, will you guys be playing football here at Alpha?
Yeah, man, this is the home field. You see it? Look at it.
Yeah,
Very
yeah,
good.
man. So hopefully I'll see you guys on Friday against Papi.
Yeah, so, will you guys be charging? Because we saw that Ulmas were charging.
Yes, we have to gain something from our gate, but it's not a lot.
Yeah.
It's not a lot. It's a minimum charge. I think for school is maybe $100 or so. So it's not a lot. We're not trying to get rich out of the program. It's just basically just get a little thing out of the gate. So at least we can find bus fare to give the chaps to go back home.
100%.
All right. Coach, let's round it out with your aspirations for this season. We touched on it a little bit, but let's talk about it. What do you hope for this team? Is it hard to go all the way?
Listen me, I don't enter anything to fail or to lose. So I aspire for the hills, and if I fall below, that's okay. But I don't aspire for anything less. And I tell my players, listen, I'm a champion. When we went to the Isle Cup, we decided we want to win the Isle Cup. And we won it. So we entered the Manning Cup, we don't entitled to come second. We entitled to win.
Alright, Camperdown supporters, look out for that.
Yes,
out
man.
by the coach.
No, man, they know me, man. They know me. I'm confident. And my team is confident.
Alright, coach.
Alright, coach, thank you so much.
Alright, cool.
Alright, you think that this team can do what you guys failed to do last year?
Can do even better.
And what is that better? Can
We
Camperdown
can
do that?
win everything though. All 3 competitions. Alright, so we not even have to ask the question, people. He preemptively answered it. Camperdown will be winning the Manning Cup. You hear the cheer from Devante McCray, correct? Alright, I'm going to win the Manning Cup this season.
All the way.
All the way.
Take it all the way. Everything.
So unfinished business last season will be finished this season.
Alright, thank you.
Thank you much. I already said it. Camperdown will win the Manning Cup, right? I don't even have to ask.
We don't have to ask that.
Alright, thank you so much.
you.
And there we have it.
Camperdown High School. After a rough start in the Manning Cup, hopefully they can make it up. People Camperdown was one of those schools that were disqualified from last year's competition. Spoke to the coach a little bit, he seemed hurt there.
Yeah.
Didn't want to quite call it vengeance, but I think it's in the back of his mind.
And we spoke to the players. They also seemed very bitter about it. They said they cried about it. They said they felt it. And I think it has lit a fire underneath them to go out and do everything.
Yeah, we see some training, we see the keepers training. How do you feel about this Camperdown team?
You know, bro, it's obvious that they have technical players, as you guys can see in the back. They're capable of doing well. I think their expectations are really lofty. I'd love to see how that works out for them. Obviously, I'm not here every day, so I can't make an assertion. But I can definitely see that there are talented players, and you should expect good things from them. Should we expect what they expect of themselves?
Sure. So sure, they won a pre-season tournament with some good teams. So they had a good pre-season. So I understand that they're feeling good. Their first game though against Woolmer is we put them to the start, but I want to see some more from Camperdown. Then we can catch a few games and then we can make a better judgment. As for now, listen, expectations are high. I don't know if this is the team to take it all the way. Let's see, I'm not going to count them out. People, how do you feel about this feature? Spoke to the coach and a few players. Nice little feature. See some footballer play. Don't forget though to like, comment, share and subscribe to the side of Sports TV. What do you want them to share?
I want them to share the video to at least 10. Because if 10 of you guys can get us at least 6 subscribers, do you know how many subscribers will get us by the end of the day?
People, but no, this was this or that Sports TV.
Ball. Yo,